In the trenches, the levels I think's in another dimension. Enter ascension, I rise from the rubble, but they will not mention. Forget like dementia, pretending to run shit, but I see the tension. Ready to snap like the dentures. Step in the ring and I'll be the contender. Enter the ninja. Swinging swords, blow the horn, bring the horde. Drop the shit they looking for. Run it up, leave them all both on the floor. Pen in the pad, poisonous words and I'm hurting them bad. Came from the trap, still on the ground, the professor is mad. I got no love for those who plot against me or my people. This mob shit that I represent, straight underground, no equal. Count the game, hold time, I will not calm down. Heard your sound, hold on, when we ride, hold down. Loyalty, drive, burn the breeze, talking shit, all hog tied up. Count the game, hold time, I will not calm down. Heard your sound, hold on, when we ride, hold down. Loyalty, drive, burn the breeze, talking shit, all hog tied up. Hit him and wet him up, knock him all down and don't think about letting up. Swing, swing, feel the machete cut back and forth until I get rid of ya. Bitch, I don't pity ya, just like you're a donkey from Winnie the Pooh. And I really consider the fact that you're full of shit and you need an enema. One of the villains of the underground with no feelings. Mama always told me that I'm special, guess I'm one of the million. Developed a hunger, eating these rappers, look at the numbers, axe in hand. Understand, when I take a swing, they fall like lumber. I got no love for those who plot against me or my people. This mob shit that I represent, straight underground, no equal. Got the game, hold time, I will not calm down. Heard your sound, hold on, when we ride, hold down. Loyalty, drive, burn the breeze, talking shit, all hog tied up. Got the game, hold time, I will not calm down. Heard your sound, hold on, when we ride, hold down. Loyalty, burn the breeze, talking shit, all hog tied up.
Intentions conjuring, releasing out a deadly odds. The magical weapon will hit you with seconds and tear our souls apart. The moon is full, look in our eyes, a window into the abyss. It's a power that's stronger than any curse. Come up closer and give me a kiss. Our coven is the gathering of the damned. Rituals, bloodbath, no second chance. We are the demons that are summoned, prepared through the bidding. Six shadows creeping towards your body, this is death depending. If you look at the sky, you see the red glow. Forever stick with the evil and sin is the mind that ain't no way escaping the horror. There was no path to turn back, too many eyes that glow in the darkness. You are the target, can't stop the blood of the heart.
This ain't a posse cut, snipping bodies up. What? Listen, 2020 vision not enough. I got a visual, ain't no individual, indivisible, ain't no justice for you busters on the cusp of fluster, jumping through no hoops and you can get it. Pulling the card of a critic, the art of the negative, sedative, repetitive energy, and you better be a medic ahead of me with the remedy. Put the bloodline in the ground like a Kennedy, hitting one time in a town where the enemy. I ain't got a problem, call my witch from Salem. You can try and solve them, but you not the greatest. Ayurvedic, my blades are rated, heavenly gates, I'm heavily weighted. Definitely ate, the time is faded. Crawling in your hole, withering away. Yay, wherever you may roam it, now you can go away. Watch you squirm, sipping bloody latter.
We watch you run away. Tuck your tail between your legs. You can't outrun the darkness. We are the winds of change. We are the ones to blame. We are the blood.
melting into the divide. Open wide into the earth and watch society's demise. And creak as you enter to a large stone circle with an altar in the center. Lay the corpse over top as it's dancing with the embers. Isolated from the earth as it goes helter-skelter, and the skies turn black with this ominous tidal wave blocking out the sun. Worldwide turning night to day, suffocating down with the sound. All life decays as the omen rises and only poltergeists remain.
Black magic, Gray is a warlock. Cabal ratchet, locking in coca. I punch through face, skull, bone decay. Scumbag of the universe, I come to save the day. Anti-hero status, we are the prime trade. Sip the cyanide, I am the hell my mama made. This is the Wild West, this is high noon. Your heart from your chest, howling at the moon. Hear the darkness call, when the darkness fall. 666 eclipse, bloodstained paint wall. Dead end, dead wrong, wrong turn. Dead-eyed sunrise, watch the whole fucking world burn. We watch you run away. Tuck your tail between your legs. You can't outrun the darkness. We are the winds of change. We are the ones to blame. We are the blood of the heartless.
I sit alone in my four-cornered room, candle lit. What is this? Smell the sulfur, I'm consumed by the fumes from a tomb. Rituals did exhume, now they doomed by the six, born beneath the bloody moon. Hellfire, roll the dice and we attack. D20 Glock folded, black talons in your back. Black magic from a sack that'll make your fucking eyes bleed. When them shooters fire rogers at you at high speeds. Blood covered window watches, y'all done messed up. Bump stocks are covered full of notches, better vest up. Sinners better fess up, cause hell is coming down. When the seventh seal is open, you don't wanna be around.
We've been awakened, the planets are aligned now, waiting for the portal to appear, and yes, time's out. There's been a rip inside the galaxy, a fallacy. But wait for those who disrespect it, enter anarchy, and bring this energy, darkest animosity. Six will form into a hydra like monstrosity. Plague rages into max velocity. Never care of what I lose or what it's costing me. 3 druids and a warlock. Doesn't matter if you run or if your door's locked. Black universe is spoken for a sacrifice. Bring doom, but I'll never give you bad advice.
We watch you run away.